We're at MIPIM 2024 and we are joined on the set of BiTV by Mr. Nick Preston, who is Head of Investment Management at Panattoni. Nick Preston, thank you for joining us on BiTV.
Morning.
You were named in the autumn, head of investment management at Panattoni, taking the reins of a new entity, Panattoni Investment Management. Why did the Panattoni Group decide to launch such a new subsidiary in the current market environment?
Good. Yeah. Good morning. Yeah, it's a good question. That we decided that now is the time for Panattoni to launch an investment management platform, because we see that there's really strong demand from a range of investors out there looking for investment in the European logistics space, and the Panattoni to date has been partnering with a lot of investors on a deal-by-deal basis. And what this allows us to do is access a wider range of new, different investors, allowing them through fund structures and other pooled vehicles into the logistics space and the Panattoni business.
At the same time, this new launch coincides with a significant shift in the European real estate market, where European but globally, interest rate hikes, inflation that redefine the fundamentals of pretty much every real estate market. What is the strategy that you want to deploy with Panattoni Investment Management in this current environment?
Well, you're right. The timing, I think, is very interesting. We've seen the correction driven by the interest rates and inflation over the last few years, and we see that investors are now that the inflation levels have come down, interest rates are more stable, that there's good demand from investors now to come back into the market now that things have stabilized. And so we see it as being a very opportune moment to invest. The benefits of the European logistics market are still all there. There's strong demand from occupiers. There's a really limited supply of land in the right locations, and those are very good fundamentals for investment into our sector. And so what we're looking at is investing across all of continental Europe and also the UK as well. We have 16 offices, 16 countries at Panattoni, 33 offices employing over 900 people. So we have a tremendous platform of expertise around Europe. And so what I'm looking to do is launch the Panattoni Investment Management business, taking advantage of that platform and also the very strong development pipeline that Panattoni is developing across Europe.
You mentioned your intention to invest across Europe. Obviously, Businessimo is a French, Paris-based media group, so I have to ask, what role do you see France play in your strategy going forward?
Our strategy is across Europe, as you say, but France being one of the largest and most central countries in Europe with a strong economy, the logistics market across Europe is good, but in particular in France. And so we will be focusing on France as well as Germany, Netherlands, UK, and also the more peripheral countries such as the Nordics, Spain, Italy, and Eastern Europe as well, Poland, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Hungary. But France is absolutely integral to any diversified portfolio strategy across Europe. So we will definitely be using our very strong French team to help us grow in the French market.
And we will be following closely your advance in France and in Europe. In the meantime, thank you very much, Nick Preston, for taking the time to speak with us on BiTV. It was a pleasure having you.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure being here, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon.
Great. Thank you also to everyone at home. We'll see you soon at MIPIM 24 on BiTV.